What will happen to consumer discretionary stocks in the next maybe let's look at a 3 months time period. So hi, hello, this is Ganesh Santuru, your stock market profit coach, and I help in multiplying your money by investing in stock market. And this is my book, One Page Stock Market Plan, which will help to know the basics and fundamental analysis of stock market, a particular stock. So please check it out in Amazon. The link is provided in the description. And today's topic is all about can you invest in consumer discretionary? What will happen to this particular sector going forward in the next 3 months? Okay, the sector is evergreen. It will grow, and only during the boom period it will grow, because only when you have money you will go and spend, right? But right now, who is having money? And the people who are having money, they are saving it in their deposits, and that is what all the bank results are showing. If you had analyzed all the banking sector results, all the net interest margin is up, which means people are safeguarding their investments by the way of deposits in their bank account, and they are not ready to spend. Right now, the supply is there, but there is no demand in the market, and which has been the case for the last maybe more than a year or so. And this COVID second wave has increased the people's cautiousness towards saving their money rather than spending, because they need to they doesn't know how many months there will be lockdown, or how many waves it is going to come. And all these consumer discretionary, what are they? You need to understand what are the consumer discretionary meaning. the for example, the car. You may have a car, and you may look to replace your car, but you may postpone the decision to buy a new car maybe next 6 months down the lane, or even 1 year down the lane, because that is not necessary right now. Which is not necessary, but which is good to have. Mobile, it has become necessary, because, but even in the mobile segment, instead of going for Apple iPhone, you can go for any 30,000, 40,000 premium phone from all the models, because the functionalities are going to same. Or even you will repair your Apple iPhone and maybe postpone your buying decision maybe the next year, right? And similarly, when it comes to car, instead of buying right now, as I said, you may postpone the decision. Whatever the condition, you will postpone. Even all these things which is available in your home, and which needs to be replaced, but you can replace it after 3 months, 6 months, or you can repair the service right now with minimal amount, instead of spending overhauling. I mean, completely changing, replacing the product. Instead of completely replacing, you'll just go for doing the basic service. This is called, all these are consumer discretionary sectors, right? So what comes under consumer discretionary? The automobiles, the paints. You won't do the decorative painting or paints in your homes when you have money, but still there is a concern, uncertainty in the income in your life. Just think of, you are a business person, you may think of postponing your any unwanted spends, just because you are concerned about what may happen in the next few months. And even to an extent of consumer durables, say you have washing machine, and say you have a refrigerator which you want to replace this year. But looking at the current scenario, instead of spending 50 to 60,000 right now, minimum, bare minimum, you will go for a basic service of maybe 4 to 5,000 rupees, and you can extend your shelf life of all, both these products for another 1 year, yes, another 1 or 2 years. That is the best thing to do for most of the people. So that is what is called, is all these products, instead of buying right now, if the sales are falling in these sectors, what will happen to the revenue? The revenue may decline, but it's not like it's completely out of favor. Once the revenue is declining, automatically all the products, the earnings will drop. Once the earnings drops, the investment returns, that is based on that only will do. And right now, most of the speculative returns are very high for all these sectors. Take the example of Eicher Motors. Take the example of Eicher Motors or Maruti. Eicher Motors, for example, the return on equity and everything has declined, but just look at the way the stock has been very high. Even right now, the sales are declined, and the same store declines, and same stores, everything has been on a decline front, and they are able to show only with the cost makeup, right? But still, the stock is very high because of the speculative returns. And there is something called investment returns, which will show up only when the earnings is really improving in the company. And right now, the earnings of the, if you look at the all the price earning ratio, apart from price earning ratio, the earnings, the return on equity, all these things has been on a decline mode for the last couple of years for Eicher Motors in particular. And this is a very good company. I love this company, but the problem is it the right time to invest? and is it the right price to invest? Right now, this sector itself is very high, and if you look at all the companies, go to the index of consumer discretionary index, you will find all the stocks which is very high. And if you go and if you do the analysis, all the sales and revenue will decline in the next couple of quarters. And instead of investing right now at higher price, you can wait and see when the stock price is declining. That is the time you should enter these sectors. So be cautious with if you are already invested in these sectors, and look at when is the right time to exit. If you're if you want to make money in the short term, for sure, because market is very high, and for sure it will correct from here. It can't move from here very high, because there is no point, there is no positive points for fundamentally for the earnings to grow from here for the next 6 months or to 12 months. So basically stocks will decline, and this particular sector for sure will decline in the next 3 to 6 months. So please start analyzing this sector in particular, analyze the business in particular in this sector, and then increase your investments if you are still sure about the revenues and revenue aspects of this particular sector. So I shared the examples of the companies, the automobiles, the paints, and to an extent of all the consumer durable products. Except the essentials, people will not go for all the extraordinary things, because right now it's not the time. People are not spending, and it is actually showing up in the datas. You can go and check the statistics, which shows that the demand has fallen, and private consumption has also fallen by 9%, which I shared in the yesterday's video as well. So all this says that India needs revival, and it will take some time for everything to come up. And once the economy is opening up, and slowly it will start reviving again, and that is the time you should enter these sectors again. Sorry. So that is the time you should start entering this sector again. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any doubts, please post it in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer your questions. Thank you so much.